Let's talk about OXO 1312480V1MLNYK Good Grips Electric Grill and Panini Press Brush. Ideal for the cleaning of sand washing machines, electric kitchen grills and waffle iron. The soft, flexible bristles are also suitable for non-stick cookware. Heat resistant up to 315 degrees Celsius. The OXO Better Guarantee. If you experience an issue with your OXO product, get in touch with OXO to repair or replace it. OXO is grateful for the opportunity to learn from your experience and will make it better. Was a bit dubious when purchasing this product because I have tried so many devices supposedly meant to make cleaning grill pans and panini plates painless. This does clean painlessly and without damage. If you have a George Foreman grill or any other type of grill panini plates, I would recommend this for either removable plates or cleaning plates fixed to grill. Great product. Whoosh, decunged in 2 shakes of a wolfer's tail. Brilliant little brush. Stiff enough to do the job expertly but doesn't annoy your non-stick surface. You can spend a few minutes using a normal wash-up brush poking about in the gunge. Bacon and sausages leave you as a calling card when they've cooked even after a soak. However, with this little gadget, a couple of swishes and it's all dislodged and the grill pan is clean as a smelt and no need to soak. Highly recommend. A very handy little brush for keeping the top of our air-rot range clear of crumbs and debris. The spec states that the bristles can cope with a temperature of 315 degrees, but I wouldn't want to use it at that heat. Our hot plate is set at 290 degrees and the bristles feels like they may be starting to soften at that, but it works fine on the simmer plate and surrounds. All in all, a neat, useful addition to our rack of implements.